I'm Eliud Custodio. This is Turn One Studio, and today we're going to discuss why small businesses cannot ignore print design. In a world where digital reigns supreme, it's easy to overlook the power of print for small businesses. But beneath the surface, print design holds a vital role in shaping how businesses connect with their audience. Meet the unsung hero of branding, print design. It's more than just ink on paper. It can be the cornerstone of a strong brand identity, forging a lasting connection with your audience. From business cards to brochures, each piece tells your story, building recognition and trust with every encounter. And unlike digital messages that disappear in an instant, print materials linger, leaving a lasting impression long after the screen goes dark. And that first impression? Well, it matters. Professional print materials speak volumes about your business's commitment to quality and excellence. The tactile experience of print creates a tangible connection in an increasingly digital world, fostering meaningful relationships with your audience. But print doesn't stand alone. It complements digital efforts, offering a multidimensional approach to reaching your audience. And the best part? Print marketing doesn't have to break the bank. With smart design and precise targeting, small businesses can maximize impact without overspending. So why settle for blending in when you can stand out? With unique print elements, small businesses can capture attention and leave a lasting impression on their audience. Turn One Studio is your partner in crafting unforgettable brand experiences. Contact us today to elevate your business with top-shelf digital marketing and print solutions.